everyone, I'm Kathy Lee with BK Forex. What a year has been in the markets. For most people, it hasn't been a good one. Investment accounts, retirement funds got hit, and if you're in crypto, those portfolios got decimated. However, if you've been following the charts that I post on Twitter, you'll know that we've been catching some really good Zip trades. It has been a very good year for our trading strategies. Zip made more than 4,200 pips or 42% cash on cash trading Forex, while Boris's bounce strategy made over 33% in Dow and NASDAQ. That's over 70% together. With economists forecasting recessions for some of the largest countries in the world, now more than ever is the time to learn how to take control of your investment capital. So here are my secrets for making 4,200 pips. Let's start with what I didn't do. I didn't have one or two trades that accounted for half or even 10% of my returns. I don't like strategies that rely on a handful of winners to cover the losses. I prefer strategies with smaller profits that are repeatable day after day. The most important skill to develop in trading is consistency. I also didn't pick tops or bottoms because they're rare and far between and only obvious in hindsight. All of my trades were in the direction of momentum and trend, proving that it's easier, less stressful to join the trend than to fight it. Also, I didn't give up when I lost money. This track record looks great with only 1 month of modest 60 pip losses, but within this number and the others, the reality of trading can be very different. My worst month was in March when I lost 223 pips over the course of 2 weeks. It was brutal because this was actually a month in which I lost money 3 out of the 4 weeks. 1 month in the world of investing isn't a lot, but 1 month in the world of trading where we are trading every day can feel like an eternity. But I've been trading Zip for years, and my performance, my confidence in the strategy, comes not from 10, 20, or even 100 trades, but more than 10,000 past trades. The strategy has proven to me that tough periods are rare, and when they happen, the winning streaks always come back. So, what did I do right? What are my secrets? It is actually quite simple. The first and most important one is that I trade with the trend. The Zip indicator is designed in a way where you can quickly identify trades where the long and short-term trends are aligned. When the background is green and the currency pair is trading above the indicator line, that means the long-term trend, the background, and the short-term trend, where the currency pair is in relation to the Zip line, are both positive. When the background is red and the currency pair is trading below the indicator line, that means the short and long-term trends are negative. You can see both conditions on this dollar Swiss chart. First, starting from left to right is a buy signal on dollar Swiss. We have dollar Swiss trading above the indicator line and the background is green, so the long and short-term trends are positive. Towards the right, we see two Zip sell signals where the background is red and the currency pair is trading below the indicator line, so the long and short-term trends are negative. All three setups are easy to identify and generated decent intraday profits. I always make sure fundamentals and sentiment are on my side. I will look to buy US dollars when yields are up and sell it when yields are down. I will also avoid buying Japanese yen pairs and instead look to sell them when stocks are falling, especially on those multi-hundred point days, which we could see more of in 2023. I also have a clearly defined goal that drives my trading. For most traders, their only goal is to make money, and ideally on every trade. But we know that that will never happen. And when it doesn't, there's a losing trade, it can affect your confidence and focus. There are many benefits to setting a goal. First, it makes you think of trading as a business. You're investing money into trading and not throwing it away on a lottery ticket. Second, by setting a goal, you're giving yourself a focus. Goal setting is a powerful step in achieving results because it directly affects how you'll trade. I have a 100 pip a week goal. At the beginning of the week, I trade more aggressively to hit that goal, and when I reached it, I trade more conservatively, focusing on protecting and growing those profits slowly. The reason why I have such low drawdowns is because when the trade isn't going my way and it becomes clear that we are not on the right side of the momentum, I won't hesitate to exit before my stop. Also, I always close my trades by the end of the week, winner or losers. Starting fresh with a clean slate is how I look past those losing weeks and move forward. The beauty of Forex is that you can make money in up and down markets. My Zip strategy, which picks trades only in the direction of the short and long-term trend, is my secret to making 4,200 pips this year, when most people lost money. Zip is my strategy, but fundamentals and sentiment are key components. I need to make sure that they're on my side. Also, focusing on my weekly target plays a very important role to the overall success. As we look forward to 2023, and economists forecast these recessions with more volatility in the markets, it is even more important to make sure that you use tools that help to ensure that the long and short-term trends are on your side and you're only trading in those directions, and that fundamentals and sentiment are on your side. So in the description of this video, I've included some links to other videos on how to use sentiment, bond yields, and stocks to trade Forex, along with a nice discount if you want to become a BK Forex member and start making pips with Zip in 2023. Happy New Year!